Hello?
Hello?
Hello, is this halal pizza?
Correct, it is, yes.
Okay, thank you. Oh, ninkaas odayga landheeraha oo baahana ahay kitaabka gaajixuna ee so I need something to eat, bro.
For delivery or for collection?
For collection, because I got hungry kids over here. Iga cunayaan.
Fair enough. What would you like?
I would like to get oodkac, hilib geel, or you guys have the huge pizza, 24-inch. Waa baahan.
Pizza, 24-inch pizza?
Ha, please.
You mean, we only have 12-inch pizza, but you want 2 pizza?
No, if you guys don't have the hilib geel and oodkac, can I get the 24-inch pizza, please?
We don't do 24-inch pizza, no.
Oh, shit.
Sorry, one second, one second.
Okay, thank you. Oh, maybe wuu helo u maleeyaa bilaad. Ma ii soo dhaqsado baahida i hayso kitaabka.
Sorry, say again?
24-inch oodkac.
24-inch?
Yes.
Sorry, what is that?
It's a pizza made of oodkac.
We don't do 24-inch.
Oh, shit.
If we want 2 pizza, because we only do 12-inch size.
Okay, ujeedaa ninkaas landheeraha waa soo lugeeya oo baahan. How much is the 12-inch one there?
£20.
20 pounds? Am I buying a car? What kind of flavor you guys got?
Meat or vegetarian?
Okay, since you said you don't have oodkac, do you guys have any Somali food?
Yeah, we do, yeah.
Okay, what type of Somali pizza you guys have? Oh, waana baahanahay iibowsi taleefkiina kaga soo dhexbixinayo.
Yeah, it has lots of fish and lots of tropical different vegetarian pieces.
Vegetarian pizza? Oh, hal isku dheelaa wadaaye kitaabkani yaa igu khaldaysaa Somali vegetarian maba jiro. Aad ku dami garac ftada aad ku